Hey, are you looking for the best car dash cam from AliExpress? I have fixed the top 5 best AliExpress dash cam for their high percentage selling rate, demand, and customer rating. All the links of the dash cam are in the description, below the video. Subscribe on my channel, and click on the bell, to stay up to date with the latest technology reviews. So let's enjoy this video. And at number 5, the best dash cam is Sameuo U700 Mini Hidden Dash Cam. Recently, this cam price is $29.52. This hidden camera is the best to dash cam AliExpress, although small in size but has impressive features and characteristics. Its size is explicitly designed to hide it so that one can easily have a safe record. You can fix this mini video recorder on the car's front mirror, and it won't be prominent because of its size. It has excellent video results for its users. Although it is mini, but one of the best dash cam AliExpress, it is designed in this way consciously so that the missusser must have no clue that he is being watched. It can record video at an angle of 170 and rotate up to 360. Sony lens and IMX307 image sensor and 6 layers high-precision glass lenses make recording better and sharper. It can be easily attached to Wi-Fi to give its users more benefit. The fantastic characteristic of this dash cam AliExpress is that it can detect if your car is lost. Another most exquisite feature of this hidden mini front cam is monitoring up to 24 hours. There are many features or exceptional characteristics that make this cheap car dash cam more unique. For example, its weight, its size, its function. This mini hidden cam is affordable and durable. It doesn't only look great, but it also works great. It is not only a cam but also a detector, a video maker. It can make a video of around up to 24 hours constantly to make you feel secure and your car safe. This mini hidden cam has unique qualities. The most top-rated function is to provide you with security. Its super-duper Wi-Fi, excellent HD video results, size, weight, and ability to detect. All these features combine to make it a piece worth having. And at number 4, the best dash cam is VVCAR D530 Dash Cam. Already its price is $52.49. This dashboard D530 camera is being widely used by people. It is a high megapixel about 1080 pixel camera device with a 4G internet, Wi-Fi facility in it. It can be easily used to record the view from the window screen of the car, and it also captures the interior view of the car with up to 360 wide range of angles. This best dash cam has a mini appearance with a buckle design that can be easily removed and install. These cameras have high magnifying lenses that can capture the video and pictures more clearly than the normal camera phone. That makes it a perfect budget dash cam. D530 has a night vision mode in it, so it can easily be used at nighttime. This camera is easily installable. There is no rocket science in installing and using it. This dashboard camera has an amazing feature. It can record the acceleration or deceleration, speed, steering angle, and GPS. So the owner will have all data about his car. By installing this best dash cam, you will be able to keep a better recorded video of the car accidents and the 24-hour parking monitoring. This camera not only records the video but there will be an exact time recording. D530 can be used by vloggers to record videos for their YouTube content in a comfort zone of them. It is a high-power camera, so it will keep all the records of the vehicle which you can easily access. That makes it best dash cam for car. And at number 3, the camera is 4K Car DVR Dash Cam. Now, its price is $67.10. The 4K Car DVR Dash has Wi-Fi GPS track. Such stopping mode requires movement location and AG sensor from recognizing impacts. So it can save and secure video records in case of an accident. Inside the dash cam is a GPS highlight that can show your speed and facilitates the video. 4K HD quality, re-establish genuine driving subtleties. Recognize from other 1080 pixel scramble cam, Johnson Vehicle DVR gives a video goal. It can record in full 4K 3840 by 2160 pixel at 30 fps to catch tags and street signs. In a crisis, simply swipe your hand under the machine, and the recorder will consequently take the current scene. Sony picture handling chip with full HD picture preparing innovation. with high loyalty H.2.64 video encoding stockpiling pressure technique. The video picture is clear and sensitive. Wide dynamic range measures pictures to guarantee videos in brilliant and dull light. It permits the car cam to join various pictures at various degrees of splendor to make one predominant picture. While running a cam with f1.8 in addition to 6 glass focal points can deliver a clearer and keener video without twisted even in the low light climate. The 4K scramble camera utilizes a capacitor for the power, which handles outrageous temperatures better and goes on for a more drawn-out life expectancy than the lithium particle batteries. In at second place, the best dash cam is 70mm, a 800 4K dash cam. Already this camera price is $103.99. The name of the cam is 70mm dash cam and the model is A800. This particular dash cam is a 4K dash cam. It has a high-sensitive image sensor, powered by the next-generation Sony IMX415. The 70mm dash cam 4K gives a remarkable picture quality at a surprising 4K resolution of 3840 by 2160 pixels. 70mm dash cam 4K A800 has 3 IPS screens, so you can watch your recordings in real-time speed. Plus timestamps and GPS coordinate all on the same screen. It has 7 layers of glass focal points that enhance the brightness of your video or image and eliminate blind spots. Its artificial intelligence technology enhances driving safety as it has a built-in advanced driver assistance system, which makes your road trips safer. It has amazing features, G-sensor technology. But, if you happen to have an accident, with the help of G-sensor technology, the camera immediately makes a video of the incident and locks it, so that no one can delete it and no evidence is lost. This best dash cam for the car has a super night clear vision feature. To improve video sound quality, there is a 3D dynamic noise reduction system that eliminates unnecessary noise. An optional rear camera for dual coverage is also available, which has to be purchased separately. There are 3 color lights available on the camera that indicates the working condition of the camera. Loop recording helps you a lot. You only install the camera once and then it automatically records and deletes old and unnecessary videos. Only videos related to an accident are kept safe. In at number 1, the best cam is DDPAI Mini 5 4K Dashcam. Recently this dashcam price is $109.99. DDPAI is a high-resolution car dashboard camera. The HiSilicon Hi 3518E processor along with 2 megapixels CMOS image sensor. You can get a perfect, sharper, and clearer video recording. Consistent loop recording overwrites the most seasoned film with the freshest after completely filling a card. Variable effectability G-sensor auto distinguishes an abrupt impact and emergency bolts the recording to event file to keep that video from overwriting. When the SD card is complete, loop recording overwrites the oldest files. Built to withstand harsh weather conditions, ranging from 20 degrees Celsius to 70 degrees Celsius, in order to satisfy the needs of exceptionally hot areas. Lithium batteries and LCD screen found in other brand dashcams have high disappointment rate in summers and they can even detonate. Along these lines, for the safety aspect, dashcams without lithium batteries. Wide dynamic range image processing equipment enables clear recording of both bright and dark lighting environments and captures high-definition, realistic images. There are no blind points for a 1400 wide-angle lens. The larger the region, the better it is. It allows you to have a closer eye on the road when driving. It must be constantly associated with USB for power. The vehicle charger alongside it is a dual USB fast charger and you can control the dashcam just like your cell phone. It contains a supercapacitor and the camera stays fueled for few moments when force is detached to simply save the video record. Don't forget to subscribe. And I request you please share this video.